Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is Zico and Yura fortune harmony analysis. Zico and Yura have applied for a fortune harmony analysis. Zico and Yura, the flow of energy in their fortune was wonderful. What kind of structure is it? Let's analyze it together. Zico's fortune says rain. Rain is rich in emotion and delicate. Yura is the sun in her fortune. The sun thinks that he is special and he hates being tied to small things in the world. Zico's letter meaning popularity is in a strong position in his fortune. That's cool. Yura has two sets of characters that express strong energy. So she fits well with action acting and can do activities with a big scale. Let's analyze it in more detail at this time. Zico starts with the letter of honor and flows energy into the input energy. And the energy is flowing into the letters that mean himself. The structure of the energy inflow. There is a strong sense of responsibility for the given task and a bit passive. But the input energy is very strong. Input energy means academic acceptance, acquisition of information, and senior and mother. So help and cooperation in these fields are good. Therefore, Zico is capable of pioneer his own academic field, which is clear and professional in his own mental world. Although there are no letters that correspond to art, they have a strong structure that can sublimate his own ideas and expertise in an artistic way. And the letters corresponding to honor are letters that give him quick decision making and quick action. So it will be very helpful for Zico's activities. It's a union with input energy, so I didn't mark it separately, but there are definitely letters that correspond to women and wealth. I think he will meet a spouse who has a good spiritual connection with Zico's mental world. There is also the same energy as himself that corresponds to competitiveness. Zico's fortune structure is his quick action, deep mental world, and competitiveness. It's so cool. Yura has analyzed her fortune several times, and the flow of energy is very good, meaning art, wealth, honor, and man. This is a good structure for both entertainers and businessmen. It's a good structure that she can be a leader. There is a conflict between the letters that mean man and the letters that mean herself, which is a developmental conflict, so it doesn't matter. Yura is the structure of energy leakage. The flow of energy is very different from each other. However, Yura's honor is also a letter that gives her quick decision making and quick action. This can be seen as a common feature. Zico is an artist who thinks in a word. Yura is an artist who acts. The temperament of each other is very different. I will give them 82% of their fortune harmony score. Please develop further and be happy. Thank you. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.